Windows 11 brings a revised right-click context menu that enhances the previous experience, but the issue is that it has less options than the traditional menu. The Show More Options, or the Shift plus F10 keyboard shortcut can be used to view the more options when you right-click an object, although doing so requires an extra step. Follow these steps to restore the traditional context menu in Windows 11. Go to the Start menu. Search for Command Prompt, right-click the first result, and select Run as Administrator. To enable the right-click context menu, type the following command and hit Enter. You can copy the codes from the video description. Then, enter the command that follows to end File Explorer. Type the following command once more, then hit Enter to launch File Explorer. Now, close the command prompt and restart the computer. When you're done, the contemporary context menu won't show up when you right-click on the desktop, a file, or a folder in File Explorer. Instead, the traditional context menu will appear. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.